Okay guys, in this class we are going to create our landing page. So let's open our action.html, this landing page, to our editor, and here first we will write basic HTML structure. So write HTML:5, then press tab. Here you can see our basic HTML structure of the landing page. Now change the title, create our join meeting. Okay, save it. Now we'll open a live server to see the preview of action.html. So right button on the file name, here you can see open with live server, click on it, and the page will be open in a browser with a live server in port 5500. Okay, fine. Here you can see the title, create our join meeting. Fine. Now just right after this title tag, we'll create few CSS link tag to load CSS from Bootstrap or our custom style.css file. So right here, link:CSS, press tab, and here change the hypertext reference href. It will be public/assets/css/bootstrap.min.css. Here you can see the suggestion, and then we'll create another CSS link here, and the href will be Google material icon, and the link is https://fonts.googleapis.com/icon ? Equal to material plus icons. So this is the CDN link. This CDN link is for Google material icon. We will use Google material icon in our project. Now we are going to link our custom style sheet to our page. So write a link:CSS, press tab, and here you'll write public/assets/css/. So we have not created this style sheet yet. So right here, style.css, and go to the public to image folder, not image folder, to CSS folder, and right click on the CSS folder, and here you can see the new file, and write the file name style.css. Okay, fine. So our head section is done. Now move to the body tag, and here first we will create nav tag for our navbar. Okay, so write nav, and we'll assign some class. This dot is for class. I hope you already know about it. So whenever we are going to create a class, we generally use dot, and whenever you need to use a ID, we generally use hash. This bootstrap navbar class is for our navbar, to defining landing page navbar, and then we'll assign another class navbar expand md. So here navbars require a wrapping, basically navbar with a navbar expand md or sm or large xl is basically for responsive collapsing and color scheme classes. I hope you got it. So next we'll assign another class fixed top. It will fix the navbar at top. Okay, press tab, and here is our nav tag, and in this nav tag first we will define image tag for logo. So here we will assign the logo image public/assets/images/ this Google Meet icon.png, and here assign a class logo. Okay, so then we will declare an anchor tag, and here the hypertext reference primarily set for hash. Then we'll assign class. The class is navbar brand, and set a color of the text dark. This is bootstrap class, and here we'll write brand name Google Meet. Okay, fine. Now take this logo, go to the style.css first, and here first we will define the body, and here set up font family Roboto. If it is not found, use letter, and make it important to override bootstrap font family class. Okay, and then assign here font size large. Okay, now here we'll assign CSS property to our logo class. So first assign height 43 pixel, save it. Now go to the browser, so here you can see logo and brand name. So next here you can see we have assigned a custom class navbar brand. Copy it and go to the style.css, and here place the dot for class, and here we will assign CSS property for our navbar brand. So first set font size 27 pixel. Okay, then set a padding left 10 pixel, and then set a font family letter. So this letter I am especially using here for brand name. Now you can see here the logo and the brand name. So we will divide this blank navbar in two parts. First one is for left side and second one is for right side. So we will assign some menu link here. So go to the editor. So for all this menu link here, we'll declare a div tag with some classes. So right here collapse, and this collapse, navbar can utilize navbar collapse class to change find their content collapse behind the button. So that's why you need to specify this navbar collapse class with this collapse class. Okay, so this div area is for this rest of this navbar. Okay, so here declare an UL tag with the class navbar nav, and also set a margin right auto. Press tab, and as we know, we declare a list tag under the UL tag. So declare list tag and also set a class navbar item nav item. Press tab, and here we will declare an anchor tag with hash reference currently for now. Then we will assign also a class here nav link, because this is an link at the navbar, and we will set a text here at a glance. Okay, so then we will duplicate this for 2 times. Here change it how it works, and then next one is for plan and price. Save it. So this one is for the left side. Here you can see the menu. Now we'll assign another UL tag for our right side navbar menu. So here just duplicate this UL tag, Ctrl D. I've modified my code editor shortcut with duplicate key, Ctrl D, and so you can do that by yourself from the file to preference to here keyboard shortcut. Okay, now here I will change the text. It will be sign in, and we'll assign a class here to identify this sign in button. Sign in, this is the custom class to identify the sign in button. We may need it later. Okay, so you need to change it here a little bit, so convert it into a button, action button. So here assign some class. The class is btn bootstrap class, and also yes btn outline to give you outline, and give a secondary color for the outline, and then make the button little bit large. So use btn large class, and set also color text info. Okay, we can assign also a class font weight bold. Okay, that's it. Now right here join the meeting. Okay, so copy this button from here and paste in here, and right here start a meeting. Okay, so this is for creating a new meeting, and this is for this button is for joining an existing meeting. Okay, so we'll create functionality later. Now we're going to design our button. So here we'll change a little bit. It will be text light, and we'll remove this outline, give a background color btn info, save it. Now here you can see the right side nav menu. Okay, there's 2 action button. Now we're going to set css to our class. So first we'll get the nav item, this anchor tag. Okay, so here define this li dot or this nav item a. Here you can see this anchor tag is under this nav item class. So we'll first target this anchor tag. Okay, set a class color gray and make it important to override Bootstrap CSS property. Give a font size 16 pixel and also give a padding 0 top and bottom and 10 pixel left and right. Also set font weight 600 to make it bold. Okay, save it. Now here you can see it's look fine. Now here we need to change something. This sign in, we need to make it in middle. So here we will create a custom class, display center. So here we'll assign first display flex and then justify content center and then align items center. So all the time we will use this display center custom CSS class to place a div in a center. Okay, so here we'll assign this display center. Now here you can see it is now in center, but we need to place some space here. So here we will also assign margin right 0 to make it absolute right side. Okay, so we make it margin right 0. Here you can see the change. All the right side nav menu item has moved into absolute right side of the nav bar. So you can see it. Now we'll target this button or our nav item to set a space in between this button and this menu tag. Okay, so go to the style.css and here target this li nav item. Here you can see the nav item, okay, in the list tag. So just set a padding here, 0 top and bottom and left and right 10 pixel. Save it. Now here you can see it now looks fine. Okay, now move to our body tag. Go to the action.html. Just right after we create a main tag. First we'll declare a class Jumbotron. Also set height 100% with display flex d flex. Press tab and here first we will create two container class. This is Bootstrap container with width 50%. Press tab, duplicate it, and in the first container we'll first declare a heading tag and set a style, not a style, set a text here, premium video meeting. Now it is available for free to everyone. Next we will create a p tag and we will assign text here. We are redesigning the Google Meet service for secure business meetings and making it free for everyone to use. Okay, and here you can see, so here we'll change something. We'll make font size bigger, so let's put some inline style. So here write font size 3 rem and also set a inline style here, font size 20 pixel. Okay,